Step one is to tighten all of these so that when you turn over your light, you'll have something solid. It'll sit solid. Tighten all of these. Your second step is this is where you put your stand in, this bracket here. There's usually another knob here. You take that one out. You have to remove it and just leave it so that it's like this. Then, with your screwdriver, loose here, and that assembly should come off with these screws. Of course, you have to take out the dirt in the screws if these are used, which these are. Place those in a cup. Grip it. Tight. Oh, there we go. There you go. Now this should all remove, just like so. Now we were gonna, you see the slot for the card is right here. We're gonna remove the screws on there and install the card so that we can install the card a little later. These screws are a little different. You might want to place them at a different spot. For the card. This here is the card. You'll see there's a plug-in here for the wire, and if you look on the board here, this is the other end right here on the circuit board where all these switches are.
And Norm, can you tell us what the label is on that connector?
The label is a W2, yes. So we plug it into the W2, and then there's two ways you can do this. You could bring a wire outside like this and install your card later, or you can install the card now and then put the lid on. It doesn't much matter which way you do it. This way, by doing this, if there's something wrong, you don't have to take everything apart, right? So we would place it like this, and then insert the card gently. You see the wires are touching here, so basically the card would go into place like this. And if you're not sure which way it goes, just look at the writing and make it all be upwards or downwards, whichever way you're looking at it. Make the writing here match the way the writing is here. And now you just line up your holes and install the screws you took out when you took out the plate. card is installed. Now we want to reinstall the back plate, and we make sure that the wire is out of the way. There's the hole right there to insert this, and now this is where your stand goes into. That's how that's built. Make sure the wire's out of the way for that. And now you simply reinstall the screws that you took out, and voila, you're done. The length of this video is how long it takes to do this. Now, if you just wait, I'll show you what the card is. You'll see, if you can see the card there, you'll see there's a DMX-N XLR. It's available in 3-pin or 5-pin. So this definitely expands the Yorkville lighting bar brings you into the pro level of lighting. And this concludes our little tutorial on installing the DMX card in the LED4 Yorkville light.